What if your money could work while you sleep soundly? Most folks trade hours at work for dollars in pay. You give your time but get only limited money back. There are only 24 hours in every single day. Working more hours will never make you truly wealthy, ever. Inflation keeps raising prices on food and gas every day. Your savings sitting in the bank lose value over time. Prices go up, but your paycheck stays the same often. This cycle keeps many people stuck in the same place. Breaking free starts with assets that grow without your effort. Smart assets can earn money even when you rest peacefully. These assets work like quiet helpers, building your wealth daily. You set them up once, and they keep growing forever. No more trading all your time just for basic needs. Imagine waking up to find your money has grown overnight. Your job pays the bills, but never builds real freedom. Many hard workers still worry about money every single month. Trading time for money limits how much you can earn. The rich let their money work instead of working themselves. Now you can join them with simple, automated strategies today. Two powerful tools can help you build wealth on autopilot. Index funds and smart rental platforms work while you relax. Beginners can start these assets with very little money today. You begin without special skills or huge cash amounts today. Index funds track the market as your first easy tool. They own pieces of hundreds of big companies for you. These funds grow whenever the economy gets stronger over years. Index funds pick stocks automatically without any work from you. Low fees keep more money growing inside your investment account. This makes index funds perfect for beginners who want simplicity. You can buy index funds easily on your phone in minutes. Many free apps let anyone start index funds with small money. No experience is needed because the fund does all the work. Your money spreads across many companies, so it stays safer. When big companies grow, your fund grows right along with them. You avoid risky stock picking that can lose money fast. Index funds have low costs, so more of your money stays invested. Start with just $20 and let the fund do everything. Automatic investing means money goes in every paycheck without thinking. This strategy beats inflation because investments grow faster than prices. The second tool uses smart apps for rental income streams. Smart apps manage rental properties with computer programs for investors. You earn rental income without dealing with tenants or repairs ever. Smart apps let you earn rental income without any headaches. You become a landlord without any of the usual landlord work. Rental platforms let you own part of homes with small money. Computer programs find good tenants and handle repairs for you. Your rental income arrives automatically every single month, like magic. No need to buy a whole house or fix leaky pipes yourself. These platforms turn regular people into real estate investors easily. Combine index funds and rental platforms for two automated income streams. One stream grows with the stock market, while the other pays rent. Both tools work while you sleep, so you stop trading time. Your money builds wealth in two different ways at the same time. This mix protects you if one type of investment slows down. Beginners love this mix because it is simple and automatic. You get growth from index funds and steady income from rentals. Two income streams mean more money coming in without extra work. This strategy gives you a strong plan against rising prices. Your future self will thank you for starting these assets now. Compound growth means your money makes more money over many years. Small investments grow into large sums thanks to compound growth. Putting aside money monthly turns into thousands thanks to growth. Your money earns more money through growth that builds on itself. Time is your best friend because compound growth needs years to shine. Skip the daily coffee and put that money into your future. Skip the daily coffee and watch your investment grow instead. The money you save on coffee can buy you freedom later. Small choices every day add up to big wealth over time. One less takeout meal can grow into hundreds of dollars later. Imagine your money growing while you drive kids to school. Imagine your money growing while you enjoy a weekend barbecue. Your investments keep working even when you take a vacation. You no longer need to work extra hours to afford nice things. Financial freedom means choosing how to spend your time daily. More time for family and fun activities becomes your new normal. You can coach your kids' soccer team without worrying about money. You can take a real vacation without checking your bank account. Your automated assets give you back the time you used to sell. This is how regular people build real wealth without being rich first. Open a free app on your phone and start investing today. Download a free app and open your investment account in minutes. Link your bank so money moves automatically every single month. Set up automatic transfers so your money invests without extra thought. Automatic transfers let your invest invest itself every single month. Pick a simple fund and let it grow toward future goals. Choose a simple fund that matches your goals for easy growth. Start small with index funds and add rental platforms later. Many apps let you begin rental investing with just a few dollars. Sign up for smart rental apps and start earning passive income. You can own part of rental homes without big down payments. The app handles everything, so you simply watch income come in. Be patient as your automated assets grow bigger every single year. Have patience because your assets will grow bigger every year. Good things take time, and your wealth is worth the wait. Check your account once a month and celebrate small wins. Do not panic when the market dips because it always recovers. Stay calm because time in the market beats timing the market. Your long-term plan works even when short-term news looks scary. Keep adding money regularly and let compound growth do its job. Your money stays safe in trusted investment accounts with strong rules. Government rules protect your retirement accounts from big losses. You can change jobs and your investments stay with you always. These assets grow even if you lose your job for a while. Building automated income gives you a safety net for hard times. You are already taking the first smart step toward real freedom. Every dollar you invest today is working for your future self. Your future self will have more choices because you started now. This plan is simple enough for a teenager to understand and follow. You do not need to be an expert to build real wealth. Start with index funds first because they are the easiest tool. Add rental platforms later when you feel comfortable with the process. Both tools need very little money to begin your journey. You can invest spared change from everyday purchases automatically. Round up your coffee purchase and invest the extra pennies daily. Many apps turn your spare change into growing investments without effort. Your coffee money can become part of your rental income stream. Small daily actions create big results when you stay consistent. Consistency with small investments beats big deposits made once in a while. Keep going even when progress feels slow because it adds up fast. Your investments grow quietly in the background of your busy life. You can focus on your job while your assets focus on growth. This strategy lets you keep your day job and still build wealth. You do not have to quit your job to start financial freedom. Many people keep their jobs and still create strong passive income. Your job becomes optional when your assets grow large enough. Imagine deciding to work because you want to, not because you must. That choice becomes possible when you build automated assets now. Start today so you can make that choice sooner rather than later. The sooner you begin, the more time compound growth has to work. Every month you wait is a month of growth you cannot get back. Time is the most powerful part of this entire strategy. Your money needs time to grow big and strong for you. Start small today and increase the amount when you can. Even $10 a month can grow into real money over years. $10 a month is better than $0 forever. You can always increase your investment as your income grows. Raise your automatic transfer a little each time you get a raise. Your investments grow faster when you add more money regularly. This simple habit turns ordinary income into extraordinary future wealth. You are building a money machine that runs without your daily effort. The machine works while you live your normal American life. It works while you grocery shop, mow the lawn, and watch movies. It works while you sleep, play with your kids, or visit family. This is the real secret most people never learn about money. Stop selling your time and start owning assets that sell themselves. Your assets will keep paying you long after you stop working. That is the difference between trading time and building true freedom. You deserve to enjoy your life while your money works hard. This strategy gives you both the life and the growing money. Inflation will not scare you anymore because your assets beat it. Rising prices will not hurt you when your money grows faster. Your automated assets act like a shield against higher costs. You stay ahead of inflation instead of falling behind it. This is how regular families protect their future in any economy. You are giving your family a gift that keeps giving forever. Your kids can learn this same strategy when they grow up. You are breaking the old cycle and starting a new family tradition. Wealth that grows on its own can be passed down one day. You are creating something bigger than just a bigger paycheck. Real wealth is measured in time and choices, not just dollars. You are buying back your time with every dollar you invest. That time can be spent on things that truly matter to you. Hobbies, family, travel, and rest become possible with this plan. Your automated assets turn dreams into realistic future plans. You can do this even if you have never invested before. Millions of regular Americans are already using this exact strategy. You are not late because the best time to start is now. The second best time is the moment you finish watching this video. You now have the complete plan to stop trading time for money. Index funds and smart rental platforms are your two automated tools. Set them up once and let them grow while you live freely. Compound growth and low costs make this plan work for beginners. You protect yourself from inflation and build real financial freedom. This is the simple strategy that changes everything for regular people. Download a free app and start your first investment this week. Open your account today and set up automatic monthly transfers. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss new money strategies. Start building your automated assets today and take your time back.